Hi there, Alexa here for another quick tips and tricks. This week, let's learn how to easily align our elements with our element alignment feature. First is aligning elements to the center of the page. To do this, select the elements you want to align to the center. Then you can click on the element alignment icon in the top toolbar to align the elements to the center of the page. Or you can also click on the drop-down options of the element alignment icon, then choose Align to Page Center. Now, if you would like to position multiple elements that has relation to each other, here's how. Select multiple elements by pressing on the Control key while choosing your elements. Then click on the Element Alignment drop-down option from the toolbar. Then choose from the options available. That's it. Hope this helps you manage your elements on your pages. If there are any clarifications or suggestions you'd like to make, don't hesitate to post a comment on your post or shoot us an email at support@convertri.com. Happy converting!